Good everyone, I welcome you to this video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can edit a text wipe effect. I hope you understand. So how you can edit this kind of effect using your CapCut. To my new and old subscribers, you're welcome to this channel. I welcome you to this channel. Please, I want you to stick to me to the end of this video. Don't forget to share this video, like this video, and drop your comments. So without wasting much of our time, let's go over to our new project. Once you click on new project, select your library, and you're going to select a dark background. You understand? Go over to background and select a dark background. Add this background. So you can now go over to your text, add your text. Let's add walking. Let's add walking. So go over to your font and let's change it to okay, let's use elegant. So you can now use your go over to style and increase the size. Hope you understand. So once you're done with that, mark it. Make sure it is well centralized. Hope you understand. Make sure it is well centralized and delete this. Extend it to the entire video. Yes, make sure it's reached the entire black background. So once you're done with that, just export it. Hope you understand. New project and bring your video. Okay. So this is the video. Now let's add this video. Go over to overlay, add the overlay, which is the text. This is it here. Add it. So once you add it, you can now go over to splice, select splice, and go over to filter. I hope you understand. Select filter and mark it. Now select this one, go over to mask. First of all, go over to mask and select what horizontal. Once you select horizontal, you can now use your two finger to make it 90 degree. I hope you understand. Good. It's 90 degree right now. Now move it to this edge here. Now play the video. At this point that you're working in, create a keyframe. Select a keyframe here and move it forward and bring this here. Move it like this. Move forward. That's too much. Bring it like this. Move it forward. Just be very careful with it. You don't have to be too rushed. Hope you understand. Move it forward. Bring it like this. 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 Forward. Like this. Forward. Like this. Like this. Bring it forward. Like this. Bring it forward. I hope you understand. It is very simple. So let's check what we just did. Can you see? So it is very, very simple. I hope you understand. It is very, very simple. Please, if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, do well to subscribe to my channel. And if you do not understand the video, you just have to go to the beginning and watch it again. I've been making a video lately on how to use the keyframe. I hope you understand. Please make sure you pay close attention to this video, and don't forget, share this video, subscribe to my channel, so you can just add effect to it, add audio effects, sound and all that. It is very simple. So this is how to create a text wipe effect using our CapCut. Thank you for your time. I'll see you in my next video.